So today I'll be showing you how to keep nearby share on or off for more than 10 minutes on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So if you've enabled nearby share for all people, it automatically turns itself off after 10 minutes. Okay. So if you want to keep it on for longer than 10 minutes, just go to the setting. So under settings and then connected devices and then quick share, and then you have the option for nearby sharing. You can see it says only for 10 minutes. So if you uncheck that, then tap on done. That will keep nearby share on for more than 10 minutes. Okay. So anytime anyone can share a file with you, although you still have to accept to receive that file. Okay. But that is basically how you can keep nearby share on for more than 10 minutes on your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.